Metal roof panels buckling or warping can totally wreck your roof's look and function, so you gotta know how to handle it right. Alright, so when you see those metal panels starting to buckle or warp, first thing is to check if thermal expansion is messing with your roof. Metal expands and contracts with heat, so if there's no room for that movement, it's gonna get all bent out of shape. Next, make sure the fasteners you use are the right kind and installed with spacers to let the panels move a bit without causing damage. Don't just hammer them in tight like you're nailing wood. Too tight is a problem. If some panels are already damaged beyond fixing, swapping them out is your best bet. Also, think about installing a proper underlayment to reduce heat buildup underneath the metal. Keep an eye on your roof regularly, especially after crazy weather or hot days. And when you're picking materials, go for quality metal roofing designed to handle your local climate so you avoid drama later. One of the biggest problems people run into with metal roof panels buckling or warping is ignoring thermal expansion issues. If you don't leave space for metal to move, you're asking for trouble. Another mistake is using the wrong fasteners or installing them too tight, which can cause panels to warp or even pop loose. Last but not least, skipping damage checks and delaying panel replacement means small issues turn into massive headaches down the road. Fix these by always planning for expansion space, using proper fasteners with spacers, and swapping out damaged panels as soon as you spot them. Your roof will thank you. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff with metal roofs and other projects. Plus, it helps contractors get connected with people who need their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to home upgrades.